announcements don't make me do.
What's poppin', y'all? This episode 4. We back again. Tesla Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Chapter 64. Scotty, my man. We got 2 special guests this week.
Yes, sir.
My man's
This man ain't special no more. See, he was like,
but he's in the Yes crew.
Y'all making me play the enemy. I am not the enemy. Wait. I'm cool.
And that's Kool-Aid. Yes, sir.
This week we coming at y'all live with a special request by T. Bursey. He requested us to make. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like that one. That's a good one.
Bros.
Whoever you are, what's good, bro?
A special anime beat. Whatever that means, we're all not really sure about that, but we're gonna make this joint spicy and we're gonna make this joint bright.
I like it.
Bright and spicy. I'm with it. Alright, let's
Very
jam.
spicy.
So as usual, we're gonna log into the tracks. Once again, it's the DAW that comes with the Tesla. With the Tesla. Yeah. So. All right. So as usual, we're gonna add the track. Right. Boom. Whatever you want to start with. I mean, that's
alright. So since it's an anime track, you say it's an anime track.
Anime track.
You gotta find some like
piano
ambient. Okay, like what you were listening to the other day.
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with a pad. I feel
Yes,
like
sir.
That's probably
Maybe.
the best way to
Yo,
go.
are we going for lo-fi anime or
Nah, he said anime track.
anime track? Okay.
On a pad, right? Let's see what a Kodo is.
This could be like the pain joint.
Go ahead.
Excuse my lasagna.
Yeah, part of my lasagna. Yeah, it does though, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, yes sir. Yeah.
Teach me how to make tracks. Teach me how to work on tracks. With the BPM 145, we not doing 2. We ain't gonna hit that 200.
We should. Are we doing 200? Alright.
Yeah, bro.
Finally.
200.
Oh, that's a Detroit beat. I was eating.
Yes sir.
Shout out to Elon Musk.
Yes sir. Come on. Ah, yes sir.
You eating sloppy joes? I got all types. Got a toaster strudel.
Crazy.
Yes sir. It is crazy for sure.
This joint is crazy.
All right, hold on.
This joint is crazy.
All right,
I'm in the kitchen, microwaving McChickens. They already know how I'm living.
Rough, man.
Put that joint going
through it.
I went to church 3 times in a day. I'm still sinning. Hit from the back and make me grinning. David Mingle be winning.
Elon!
We need to undo!
Yeah.
Make this joint real hot, real spicy.
Real spicy.
Tabasco.
She don't give me service, I'm not tipping you.
No.
And that's typical. I don't spit in flows, you know it's so rhythmical.
Spiritual, lyrical, individual.
Dave got all
You
the
said, you know what I mean?
Dave got all the
Run that.
Going dumb.
Sounds just like the pain drum.
Yeah, facts. It's the paint.
It's like a futuristic type joint.
This the
Hold on,
paint
paint theme track remix.
Let's hear it.
But they didn't do it in a Tesla.
No, they did not.
They didn't do it in a Tesla.
They didn't do it in a
did.
Tesla with the Trax.
Oh, what happened?
What happened?
Oh, nothing. Special delivery.
Special delivery.
I'm gonna have to cut this whole part out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yo, that's funny. Yo, that's hilarious.
This ain't even the. Bro, I think this joint is done.
I feel like we kind of.
It's done. So this is what we got.
You gotta do the silent test, like the 1 by 1 joint, adding them joints in.
Exactly. So we got echo drops. We did some from the standard kit, the music box, tubular bells, the hip hop drum kit, choir, another 808, and a glockenspiel. Glockenspiel.
Solo the Glock.
Yeah.
Solo the Glock.
Solo the Glock.
Solo the
drive.
Yo, that's a crazy rap.
Yeah, sir.
Somebody, look, you can have that joint if you hear this.
Bro, just this right here. Drop the drums in it. Yeah.
Since we been on
key in the audience.
Since we've been on some spicy this whole episode, excuse my French, we've been on some spicy stuff this whole episode. We got a special spicy announcement.
Spicy announcement? Oh my god, what's the announcement?
Not in that back seat. All the heat in that back.
What's the spicy announcement? Oh, he got the one chip.
We got all the heat in the back seat.
Bro, if you're not gonna do it,
we can switch. We'll sit in the back.
Look,
bro.
Let's do a switcheroo. Switcheroo.
Oh wait, this got coolant in it?
Are we?
Got what? Are you allergic to corn?
What? No.
I
was one allergic to corn. Everybody eat corn.
He said what? No, bro.
I feel bad for anybody really allergic to corn.
Right, listen. 1 chip, 2 chip, 3 chip, 4 chip, 7 chip, 8 chip. How do I open this chip?
Open this chip.
Use a key, bro.
Man, how you open this chip?
Come on. I need to get this chip off my shoulders.
Gotta do my thing, Thizzle.
I gotta get the chip off my shoulders.
This thing.
Open that joint for me, bro.
I got you, dog.
So look, I'm not even a spicy eater. I don't like no spices.
No spice?
This is crazy.
He a weirdo.
Hey, read the phases.
Expired in 2021.
Hold on, look. Hold on.
Capping.
Expired in 2021.
Really?
Nah, I'm playing, bro.
Yeah, bro, come on,
man.
bro.
You want time for
Just say 2021.
Yeah, take a deep breath, man. It's all
Yo,
good.
so look, it says
Be all good.
me versus the Reaper. That's violent. I faced them before, but not like this.
It's a crazy joint.
Spicy punch. Scorpion sting. Gut slash.
There it is, the gut slash. That's what it is.
Bro,
That's
I
it.
don't want.
The gut slash. I don't know what
Vision.
it's called.
Yo, my vision gonna get. Alright, let's just do this, John. Let's just do this, John.
Spicy.
You know my thumb is dislocated, but.
Excuse you, bro. Yo, you know what? Hi, mom. You know what I mean?
Yo, open this joint.
See,
Don't break it. Don't break it.
I'm not
though.
gonna break
That
it,
joint
bro.
already cracked up.
It sound like it, but good, John. Yo,
Let
we
me
supposed to be doing this with gloves.
Are we?
Yeah, don't touch your
Oh
eyes.
man.
Yeah, we supposed to
don't
do
do
it.
it.
Yeah, we supposed to do it with gloves.
Bro, stop crying, bro.
Just don't touch your eyes.
We gotta split it in half, bro.
Don't touch
And I
chips
got-
with your eyes.
I'm gonna lick my fingers.
Lick them.
Good luck.
It's fine. It's
Stop
fine.
touching chips with your eyes.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, you want the bigger half or the smaller half?
Bro, there is no such thing as a smaller half.
This joint complete. This joint complete, so I'm taking it.
Let me see.
Let's do this, John.
Tell my mom I love her. 2 times.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Alright, look. We out.
Do we do a toast? Come on.
Oh,
No.
wait, y'all gotta
Touch the chips, bro. Touch
Toast the chips.
Come on, bro.
Oh, toast the chips. Oh my
hatch.
God, y'all are bugging out.
By the powers of naughtiness, I command this foot to be really, really hard.
I love you guys.
I'm already crying.
I know.
It hurt, bro. My cough is not COVID.
And then y'all gotta.
It's bad decision.
Oh no.
Then y'all gotta wait 5 minutes, right?
This joint is drawing.
You say an hour. Oh,
This
Lord.
joint is out of pocket.
What do you mean, oh Lord? What's wrong?
God.
Is it spicy?
Oh yeah.
Off rip?
Yes.
Bro.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
I am so glad I didn't eat that.
Oh, you going bad. I'm sweating.
Bro, this joint is bad. This joint about to get bad.
Yeah, y'all gotta keep it in.
Bro, if it get bad, I'm running out.
Stop playing, bro. Don't rub it in.
Even if I lose, we still winners.
That's on everything.
I don't even care.
2020.
A good special gut slash.
No, really? Is it that
I'm
bad?
hiccuping, bro. This shit bad.
Dude, we got ice cream.
I'm failing, bro.
I'm out.
You're feeling it?
Everything. Bro, don't cheese with the dairy, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like this, it still gotta come out, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. It still gotta come out. Yo, oh my God. This is great. For everything.